The HP SmartStream Submission Driver, or CRD driver, will enable users to send content from any application and print it even if the files are not supported by default in HP SmartStream. Files such as CAD application or Microsoft Office files, for example, so these jobs can be prepared and printed through HP SmartStream. In enterprise environments with a central reprographic department, CRD, the HP SmartStream Submission Driver allows enterprise users to easily send jobs with instructions and settings to the CRD operators so they can print them. The Submission Driver appears among the list of printers on your system and creates a package containing the content to be printed, plus the print instructions and accounting information. Once the Submission Driver is set up, the package is sent to the Hot folder, which is monitored by HP SmartStream and then imported into the application. Let's see how to install the HP SmartStream Submission Driver. Download the package installation from hp.com. Extract the driver installation file into a folder. From the Start menu, under Device and Printer menu, click Add Printer. Select Add a local printer. Create a new local port because there isn't actually any printer. In fact, it will be the submission driver that will print to a workstation. Now click Next. The window asks the port name where the submission driver has to be exported. For the purpose of this example, the CRD folder has been created, to which the submission driver will point out. Copy its path and paste it here, followed by a slash and a random name. It could be whatsoever that works for your scenario. Click OK. Click Have Disk. Browse to the same folder where the submission driver package is. Select the INF file. Click OK and select HP SmartStream Submission Driver in the list of printers. Click Next on the rest of pop-ups until you reach the Finish button to end up the installation of the HP SmartStream Submission Driver. Now that we have installed the HP SmartStream Submission Driver, which is linked to the CRD folder as a local port, let's define the same folder as an incoming hot folder in HP SmartStream. Let's simply open HP SmartStream, open the Preferences menu, and under the Hot Folder tab, click Add. Select Incoming, browse to its path, and save it. Now, this local port for the submission driver is also a hot folder for HP SmartStream. Now, let's send one file to print through the HP SmartStream submission driver. In this case, we will submit a DWG file, which in a normal basis would not be an HP-supported format file. But since we are submitting it through the HP SmartStream submission driver, it now becomes a format that can be printed through HP SmartStream. Of course, this process will work using standard HP SmartStream supported format files too. In any case, when we have the application open for the DWG file, simply click Print. Select as a printer the HP SmartStream submission driver. Open its properties and go to Custom Properties, so you have access to the actual HP SmartStream submission driver. These are the options that the architect, the engineer, or whoever that has submitted the job can edit. These options are Color Mode. Let's choose, for example, Grayscale. Paper type and document size from a standard list of options. In this case, we choose A3. Other additional configurations are orientation, number of copies, page order, and output destination. The user can also introduce an account ID. Let's put 1234. And complete any additional instructions the CRD driver will have access to in order to finish the preparation of the job. Let's say, for example, print in best mode. These are the options that HP SmartStream submission driver offers, and as you can see, all of them are printer independent. This is because in this workflow, the submitters do not have any visibility of the printers installed. They only adjust some of the settings that will be enclosed to that specific job. It will be the CRD operator who will decide to which printer send this job. Once finished the configuration, click OK, OK, OK. And finally, send to print from the application. So for the application, the job has already been submitted. Now, if we go to HP SmartStream, we can already see the notification that a new job has been found in the CRD application. If we import this job, we will see the DWG drawing that was sent from the application. If we click the settings, we can see that the values entered by the submitter has been kept, such as the page size in A3 and the color mode in grayscale. We have also entered some accounting information details that had to be written by the one who's operating HP SmartStream. The information can be found in Job Details in Accounting. Here, there is a summary of all the settings selected by the submitter from the HP SmartStream submission driver, including the account ID 1234 and some other comments. As an operator, I can read them, then click OK, go to the printer column, right-click the mouse and choose Hide Details. So this job is set up as the submitter wanted. By clicking on Print, the job will be successfully printed based on these configurations.